Hi art friends, today we are going to draw Pikachu. Now let's get started. To draw this Pikachu, we'll first start by drawing his eyes. So we'll first start by drawing a circle. And then we're gonna come across here to draw another circle. And now I'm going to put in a highlight right about here. And let's shade everything else in. And let's do the same thing for the other eye. Okay, now let's come in between the two eyes and we're going to draw a tiny little nose. And now let's come down here, right in the middle. I am going to draw a curved line out for the mouth. There. Now let's frame the head. So I'm going to go slightly out from the eye and I'm going to draw a curved line up. And I'm going to draw this point across, find another point over here, and continue this line to connect to this point. And then we're going to come down on both ends. And now let's dip it in slightly and come back out. Same on the other side. Dip in slightly and come back out. Now let's draw the cheeks. So I'm going to put an oval in right here. And we're going to do the same on the other side. There. So 2 cheeks in, and now let's draw the ears. So we're going to go to the top, and I'm going to come out like this. So I'm gonna start right here and bring a curve in all the way down. And let's round it off slightly here at the tip and bring it back in. So now let's do the same thing on the other side. Approximately right here and about this wide. So it's the same as the other side. Something like here. And make the ears the same height. So I'm going to stop right here. Round it off. And bring it all the way back. Then from there, let's go ahead to finish the body. So we're going to continue this line out. going to draw a slightly curved in bottom and connect to the other line. So now let's draw the feet. So we're going to draw a tiny feet right here, come out and bring it back in. So same thing on the other side, right here. And connect. Two short lines for the toes. There. So now let's draw the arms. We are going to come right below the cheeks and we are going to draw it like this. Curved line. And bring it back. And we're going to do the same for the other arm. So again, let's draw this line across so it looks symmetrical. And there. So now let's draw the iconic tail. So we're going to start right here, right above the arm, and we're going to draw an angled line up and a shorter angle line down and bring this line back in, and towards the end let's just draw this shape there. So now let's color it. And that's how to draw Pikachu fun and easy. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give the video a like and subscribe to my channel for more weekly uploads. Thanks for watching and see you next time.